If you are an OFW or locally employed na earning 100 to 200,000 a month, this single detached is gonna be yours. Featuring Celestina model with 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath, the perfect for your growing family. This house is a complete finished turnover that offers house modification. May malawak na car garage and may extra space pa na pwedeng gawing play area for your kids or even expansion para sa future plans mo. All our doors are made with solid mahogany woods na with gate and fence na rin upon turnover. Pagpasok pa lang ay sasalumuhin ka na ng open and airy living area, ideal sa family bonding at pagtanggap ng bisita. Diretso naman tayo sa dining and kitchen area, na design for practicality at everyday use. Imagine having meals together sa isang space na warm and inviting. May bedrooms and toilet and bath na rin sa first floor for your guests and elderlies. And take note, fully tile na ito from floor to ceiling with rain and telephone shower. Sa taas, nakikita mo spacious bedroom na nagbibigay ng privacy at relaxation. Each room is well ventilated and naturally bright, kaya laging fresh ang ambience. At higit sa lahat, dahil part ito ng farm community by DSMC, you don't just get a house, you'll get a lifestyle. Safe, convenient, at malapit sa lahat ng kailangan ng pamilya mo. With free CCTV camera, smoke detector alarm, fire extinguisher, at water heater and split-type aircon upon turnover. Available ito through bank and SIDSI financing. Kung hanap mo ay modern and elegant house na hindi ka na ma-hassle sa pag-aasikaso ng documents, check out this Celestina model. Kaya kung interesado ka, i-message mo na ako para makapag-site viewing na tayo sa dream house mo. This is Lady Ijao, your trusted property consultant. Bye!